Hello, welcome to Check It Out with Rich. I've been wanting to do this video for quite a while, and we just added this handrail from MORryde on here, so that gave me the gumption to do this video. But I want to do a video on my entrance system here, the steps, the door, all involved. So we actually have two here, and we'll get into that in a little bit. Okay, but first, we have the Bauer Lock. It's Bluetooth, you can work it with your phone, plus the keypad. We really like this. Our first one we had an issue with, and we was at the Alliance National Rally, and Bauer was there, and I told him the problem, he gave me a whole new unit. So you can't beat that. Okay, we also have our decals on the door, Rich and Becky, Harwick, PA, with a nice camper, pine tree, and fire.
Thank you, Aunt Amy.
Thank you, Aunt Amy. Okay, then going from there, we're gonna open the door up. And then, even though these are friction hinges, which I absolutely hate, the wind will still close them.
It did last night.
Yes. And that just holds it in, and the wind's not going to close it. Okay, now getting to the steps. We have the MORryde StepAbove with lift assist. And these things are great. I mean, they are great. Now, I have extra weight on here, so they don't hold until they're up to about here, but as you can see, they're nothing to lift. And then we have the MORryde handrail, which we just put on. We just got done doing a video on that. And then we have this drop down. I forget who makes this. I think AP Products, maybe. It might be Lippert, I don't know. But we had just a regular D one before, and it was hard for my mother-in-law to get in and out. So we actually picked this up at the Alliance National Rally 2 years ago.
I think so.
And it's great for her, but I think this will help her even more. Now, we may take this off. I'm going to let Becky explain what's going on here.
I would prefer to leave both, because if you take this off, you've got a big gap here. And I can see me or my mom falling here. So I'm a fan of, we're just going to leave both.
Okay.
And then also when we shut the door, when we're traveling, this comes across the door. So it's just an extra something holding the door in case we don't push it all the way shut. Maybe it comes unlatched. That's going to keep it from flying open.
Okay. Sounds good. Okay, so you never know. We're already different with this setup. Nobody has a setup like we do, believe me. But this just makes it a little bit more strange. So, okay, we also have the Popsteps, which I absolutely love. These things are easy to get on, easy to take off, easy to clean. The dog absolutely loves them. Now, he also has blackouts for the gaps for pets, because some pets don't like being able to see through the steps. He's supposed to send me a set to do a review on. I haven't gotten them yet. I originally had the MORryde step treads on here, which I liked. The only thing I didn't like about them was the rounded corner of this aluminum. It was very slippery, where this took care of that. It actually has ridges on here. This is the newer model. The older model didn't have those ridges, but it was rubber and it stuck to your shoes very good. Don't mind how dirty everything is. Yesterday, we just got back from Alliance getting the camper repaired, and I haven't had a chance to wash it. It's been too cold anyway. Okay, moving up.
I also like because they're black.
Yes, yeah. Aesthetically, it does look very nice, being all black instead of all silver, or the MORryde step treads are gray. So it set it off a little bit. I think Mark came out with an excellent product here. I will put the links in the description. And I also have a discount code for you. I can't remember it, but I'll put it in the description. Okay, moving on to the screen door. Okay, as you can see, we have the screen defender down below. We do have a dog and a cat. And because we have a cat, I added a screen defender up here. Now, if Lippert would come up with something for here, I'm thinking about putting a piece of 1/8" plexiglass in here, just so the cat can't jump up and scratch the screen. Or if you're trying to get out the door and you bump into something. Okay, next on a little slider here. This little thing here is hard to grab onto. So I just put these adhesives on, and I got one there, and then I have one on the inside, and I put it horizontally so that if you need to open it up all the way, it goes past this a lot easier than it would stop if it was vertical.
I think that makes it much easier to slide that.
It does, yeah. Just a quick, whoop, it's closed. Okay, now we have the screen assist. I think this is called the screen assist. It's also by Lippert. And what that does, it makes it very easy to open the door. As you can see, instead of having just a lever there, you have this whole bar that you can push on it. If you're inside and you have your hands full or something, you just take your elbow, push the door, and you're good to go. Okay, next I have the grab bar. I believe this is from Camco. This is also real nice, especially for like right now, the door's unhooked, you're inside. You want to close the door. You just grab that and it closes. Now, sometimes you have to make sure that your latch here is seated properly or else it'll just pull off. But it is nice if you're inside, just grab it and close the door. Okay, next is the Lippert Screen Shot. This is another very nice item. That makes it so that when you do unlatch it, normally it'll go by itself.
There's a little wind.
Yeah, we had a little wind holding it. And with all the screen defenders on here, it's like almost like a parachute almost. But yeah, once the wind gets out of it, it will close. Okay, next, being that we do have a dog and a cat, and this is especially for the cat, but we have a little slide latch on here that we can, when we're inside, we can close it. If the grandkids come with us or someone else from outside should open the door up, they're not watching for the cat. Cat skedaddles, Becky goes nuts, my day's ruined. So what's nice too is you can reach from outside and open or close it. Was you going to say something? No?
I was going to say, and then once you close it, you can use the
little thing here
on the outside.
Yes, yeah.
Shut that.
Yeah. Okay, and then being that this is a Lippert door, it came with a Lippert window. The Lippert window is a pain in the dupa to get out. They use these plastic clips that it all just pushes together. And you need special clips, which these clips cost $25 for all of them, and they go all around the frame and they unsnap it. Well, I wanted the screen, and I got a deal where I just bought the whole window with the screen from AP Products for just about the same price as buying the Lippert screen. So the AP Products window screws together. So if any time I need to take this window out, if I wanted to tint the glass or the glass broke or anything like that, it's quick and easy. Just take the screws out, everything comes apart. I don't need special clips or nothing. I actually did buy the clips. No,
I think they gave them to you at the rally.
Yeah. Lippert actually gave me the clips to take it apart. So I actually did a video on how to do it. I think I used putty knives or something. I forget what I used, but I'll link the video in the description. All right, so when I installed the shade, I installed it upside down so that the opening's on top. That way, we're both taller, we can look out, nobody can come walking up and look inside the window underneath, and we don't have to bend over to look through a little bit opening on the bottom. All right, so last but not least, I've always wanted to put a light out here. So I found these solar lights on Amazon. They work pretty good unless, one, you don't have no sun, or two, you have your awnings open all day and it doesn't charge. But when they do have sun, it's fully charged. It works very well. I always wanted to run a wire up to there, and someday I will, and then just have a motion activated running off the 12-volt system. I don't have to worry about the sun hitting it or anything else.
Well, that one is motion activated.
Yes, it is, but if it's not charged, it's not.
Right.
It's not coming on.
Right.
So I think that's it.
But that way it only stays on for what, like 15 seconds?
Yeah,
So it doesn't
yeah.
bother your neighbor.
Yeah, it's not on very long, and I don't like lights outside of my campsite. If I want to look at something, I usually have my flashlight on me. So if we're doing something for an extended period of time, I'll turn the awning lights on and actually have them on a dimmer so that they're not super bright too. Okay, I think that's it. I can't think of anything else I've done to it, but I think I've done the most their entrance system than anybody else out in the camping world. Okay, I will put all the links in the description, and they will be Amazon links, which is my affiliate. If you purchase through there, I'll get a couple pennies for every $100 you spend, so which helps the channel out and helps me out to buy things to do videos on. Okay, so once again, thanks for checking it out. We'll see y'all next time. Happy
Bye.
camping. Gotcha.